Meditation for beginners, your first step into stillness, without feeling like you're doing it wrong. You've heard about meditation's benefits 100 times. Less stress, better focus, more peace. Maybe you've even downloaded an app or watched a YouTube video. But when you actually tried to sit still and clear your mind, something unexpected happened. Your thoughts got louder. Your back hurt. You wondered if you were doing it wrong. After 5 minutes that felt like 50. You gave up, convinced meditation just isn't for you. Here's what nobody tells beginners. That experience? That's not failure. That's actually what meditation feels like when you're doing it right. The biggest meditation myth, and why it stops most people. Most people think meditation means achieving a perfectly blank mind, a Zen state where thoughts disappear and inner peace descends like a warm blanket. When their mind keeps racing with grocery lists, work worries, and random song lyrics, they assume they're failing. But here's the truth. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about changing your relationship with them. Think of your mind like a highway. Meditation doesn't stop the traffic. It teaches you to watch the cars pass without jumping into every single one and going for a ride. Some days the highway is busy. Some days it's quieter. Both are okay. You're not trying to control the traffic. You're learning to sit on the side of the road and simply observe. This one realization changes everything for beginners. What you actually need to start. It's less than you think. The meditation industry wants you to believe you need special cushions, perfect silence, incense, and a dedicated meditation room. You don't. Here's what you actually need. A place to sit, a chair, your bed, the floor, anywhere you can be reasonably comfortable for a few minutes. 5 to 10 minutes when you won't be interrupted. Start small, seriously. Permission to be imperfect. This is the most important one. That's it. You don't need yoga pants, a quiet house, or to sit in lotus position. You just need to show up as you are. Your first meditation. A simple practice that actually works. Let's do this right now. Not tomorrow. Not when conditions are perfect. Now. Step 1. Get comfortable. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or cross-legged on the floor if that feels better. You can even lie down, though you might fall asleep. Which honestly, if you're exhausted, maybe that's what you need today. Keep your spine relatively straight, but don't be rigid. Imagine a string gently pulling the crown of your head toward the ceiling. Rest your hands wherever they're comfortable, on your knees, in your lap, by your sides. Step 2. Set a gentle timer. 5 minutes. That's all. You can do anything for 5 minutes. Use your phone timer. We recommend using airplane mode so notifications don't interrupt. Step 3. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Whatever feels natural. Some people prefer eyes closed. Others like to keep them slightly open with a soft focus on the floor a few feet ahead. Step 4. Find your breath. Don't change how you're breathing, just notice it. Where do you feel it most? The cool air at your nostrils, your chest rising and falling, your belly expanding? Pick one spot and gently rest your attention there. Step 5. When your mind wanders, not if, when, here's what will happen. Within seconds, you'll start thinking about something else, what you need to do later. A conversation from yesterday. Whether you're meditating correctly, random memories, your grocery list. This is not a problem. This is literally the practice. When you notice you've drifted, and you will dozens of times in 5 minutes, simply, and this is crucial, gently guide your attention back to your breath. No judgment, no frustration, just, oh, I'm thinking, back to the breath. Think of it like training a puppy. The puppy wanders off. You don't yell at it. You just gently guide it back, again and again, with patience and kindness. Step 6. When the timer sounds, take a moment before you open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Don't judge it. Just notice. Then slowly return to your day. What success actually looks like. You didn't fail if your mind wandered constantly. That's normal. You felt restless or uncomfortable. That happens. You didn't feel instantly peaceful. Most people don't. You thought about your to-do list the whole time. Join the club. You succeeded if you showed up. You noticed when your mind wandered. You brought your attention back even once. That's it. That's the whole practice. Everything else is just repetition. The 3 challenges every beginner faces and how to handle them. Challenge 1. My mind won't stop racing. Good. That means you're aware of your thoughts, which is actually the first step of meditation. Your mind has always been this busy. You're just finally noticing it. Keep practicing the gentle return to breath. It gets easier. Challenge 2. I don't have time. You have 5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes. Start there. You're not trying to become a monk. You're building a sustainable practice. 5 minutes daily beats an hour once a month. Challenge 3. I don't feel any different. Meditation benefits are often subtle at first. You might not feel dramatically different after one session, but after a week or two, you might notice you pause before reacting to stress. You might catch yourself taking a conscious breath during a difficult moment. Those small shifts are the real magic. Your next steps: building a practice that sticks. Commit to 7 days, 5 minutes each day. Pick the same time daily if possible. Mornings work well for many people, but evening or lunch break works too. Consistency beats duration. Track it simply. Put a check mark on your calendar each day you practice. There's something satisfying about not breaking the chain. Be ridiculously kind to yourself. Some days will feel easier than others. Some days you'll forget entirely. That's being human. Just start again the next day. Join a community or use guidance if that's helpful. Sometimes a voice helps, especially at first. The truth about meditation. Meditation won't fix everything. It won't erase your problems or make difficult emotions disappear. But it will give you a few moments of space between what happens and how you respond. It will teach you that you're not your thoughts. You're the awareness behind them. It will offer you small pockets of peace in a chaotic world. And sometimes, in our overwhelmed modern lives, a few minutes of intentional stillness is the most radical thing we can do. Start today. 5 minutes. See what happens. Your mind will wander. That's not the problem. That's the practice. Welcome to meditation.